Right. We have shifted focus. We are cutting across to this visit in Delhi. Remember, this was historic. Prime Minister Modi uh, meeting, especially when we talk of the Emir, was personally there at the airport. It was a rare gesture that PM Modi received the Emir of Qatar at airport. And apart from that gesture of hospitality, these are the visuals now coming in. It's a two-day state visit to India. We'll be meeting President Draupadi Murmu, holding talks with Prime Minister as well today. And that's a protocol, the Guard of Honor. Let's dip in now to the ceremony happening. That's the Emir of Qatar in Delhi right now. H.H. Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. That's the Guard of Honor, the protocol that's followed. This is at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Remember, India and Qatar, while have had deep-rooted ties as well, but in the recent years we have seen how the ties have improved, especially in trade, investment, energy, technology, people-to-people relationship. There's a good number of diaspora from India who work there in Qatar, and that has continued to strengthen as well. We are expecting Memorandum of Understanding as well to be signed, talks expected with Prime Minister Modi and the President as well. And remember that there is a delegation that has come in, a high-level delegation of ministers, senior officials, business leaders with the Emir of Qatar. And like I was talking about, how Prime Minister Modi, in a rare gesture of hospitality, ensured he was there at the airport and called him to welcome my brother, the Emir of Qatar, and wishing him a fruitful stay in India, looking forward to meeting tomorrow. So now the Emir heading, as this is, remember, a ceremonial, it's a Guard of Honor. Let's dip in.